Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the button tag. So what it does, as a name, you can make buttons in HTML. So first what we're gonna do is here change the create something like h2 and name it like button, button, and then what I'm gonna do is create a button by using the button. The type will be button, obviously, and name, I'm not gonna give any name because it doesn't matter at the first place because you are not using any CSS properties, right? So on click we're gonna use a event, and inside that you can use the what we call JavaScript. If you don't know, I have a DOM elements totally on that. I have videos about that, and I have events in HTML videos about that too. Just check it out in my playlist. And here, hello world. Done with that, and here you can see a button type, but you can't see any names. So for that you need to do is type something like click me, and when you do that you will understand. And here you can see hello world. So this is what it does. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.